guys, here is another fun summer outfit that I made, and this one is with my pants with the splits on the sides. And guys, I did these pants to be oversized, so as you can see, if I'm standing like this, you will probably think that I'm wearing a dress. So it's very long and flowy, and with the oversized pants, guys, and you can take a leg out on each side. These are the wrap pants. So just wanted to show you guys another one of my latest creations, and hope you guys are having a awesome day. So as always, guys, happy sewing. Bye bye. Okay guys, here are a couple still shots of this outfit. I had a lot of fun making this, but I love this outfit, and I'm going to make it in different colors. Just very sexy, flowy, and a great project. So I love this project, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, God bless, guys. Happy sewing. Bye bye.